Hi guys, welcome to another Living SA TV video. David here, and guess what? Right behind us, we have what I really call respectfully the most beautiful airplane graveyard in the African continent. Let's check it quickly, guys. Again, stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. Big entrance, eh? Look at that. Amazing, eh? But first, guys, let's pay our ticket. I think it's 60 rand per person.
The roots of the museum stretch back to 1973, long before an official society even existed. A group of dedicated South African Airways employees discovered a 1940 Lockheed Lodster gathering dust in a storage building belonging to the South African Railways Museum. The historic plane had served as a shuttle service to Egypt during World War II. The volunteers painstakingly restored it, igniting a collective desire to preserve the nation's civil aviation history. So by collecting different models of planes, they finally started their museum in 1986 at Jan Smuts International Airport, today known as OR Tambo. And in 2004, they finally relocated to the place where they are at the moment, at the Rand Airport in Germiston.
So, this is where we are at the moment. The entrance is actually there. Guys, right behind me, we have the Lebombo. And you say, and what's special about it, guys? So, during the Rugby World Cup back in 1995, this piece of airplane engineering flew over Ellis Park during the game between South Africa and New Zealand. Very good. Guys, look at this monster.
The 747s arrived in 2002 and 2005. Do you guys think they were, toe-tracked? No. They actually flew all the way to the Rand Airport. And keep it in mind, the Rand Port is really small. So doing this was just a feat of logistics to bring them where they are at the moment.
It's crazy what we can build. This is just crazy. Been here so many times. I'm literally below a 747. Just to tell you guys can also come for the tour, but we're not gonna have too much time today to do it. So you can take pictures. So it's scary, guys. Scary, scary, scary. Okay, there's the exit. Okay. Kill asked them to open. But like I say, guys, it's a collection of airplanes that started back in 1973 when they found one abandoned plane inside of a hangar, and this basically the collection just grew into this. I think they only moved the 747 in early 2000s. So being amongst these monsters is like, wow. Look at this, guys. Don't forget to come here when you are around. Very nice. Fantastic. Guys, a century of aviation right here. Wow. And what an amazing airplane graveyard. Amazing, beautiful. You guys also have the explanations about every airplane basically. Fantastic what the team here is doing. Look at the cool details. Otaniqua. It's called Elias. So look at this, guys. We're literally in front of the airplane. Wow. Look at that. Incredible. And that one there, it's called Protea. Guys, imagine you get one of these decommissioned airplanes and just completely revamp it to make offices or a hotel. We don't have an airplane hotel in Johannesburg. Unbelievable. Well, I think this is the same of being next to a dinosaur in modern days, I guess. It's actually amazing how a hobby can become into such a big thing like this, eh? Another one. Look at this beast. Yo. Wow. It would be so cool if they can have like a Concorde or something. I don't know if you guys know this, but the actual fuel of the airplane goes into the wings, because you see these engines are massive. Imagine transporting all this weight on the air, guys. How crazy is that? This is just incredible human engineering. So much appreciated. Okay, guys. I just didn't want to go inside of the airplane without authorization. Yo, guys, we're going to the inside of the belly of the beast. Oh wow. Oh, it's actually nice and cool here. Well, I guess that's where you're going to the cockpit. Sure, guys, look at this. Oh, look how far this goes. Oh, wow. Take you guys around. I guess this is first class. Right here. And now we're going to enter in first class. So this was peak 1990s luxury, guys. You see, I mean, imagine get one of these airplanes and turn them into a hotel. You got plenty of space, plenty of rooms. Plan it well, divide them well. I think there is one in Mpumalanga or Limpopo. Can't remember. Look at this, guys. This is peak luxury back in the day. It's actually a very nice adventure coming here. Middle of the week. Look at this. Okay, so continue. So this airplane is massive. Look at it. Was this screens? Let me know down below. Is this screens also? Who were watching what movies? Look at this. Probably to recline the chair or something like that. Oh, there you go. Cradle for the baby. It's probably the projector. Look at this, a projector. Imagine this. You can use this and make a meeting here. You got plenty of seats. I think it will be really cool because we have nothing like that in Johannesburg. But this is what I'm saying, guys. It's so much we can do in our city and that's not being done. Look at that. The toilet. Oh, wow. Yeah. This is so cool. And it's clean, guys. It's actually well maintained, which is great to see these things. Probably a photo of the airplane and it landed. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Basically what you guys were using to eat something on top, like a small table. Of course, we are in economy class. So I guess this is where the flight attendants will prepare the coffee, the drinks, the food, whatever is out. Emergency, in case something happens. Oh, guys, this is incredible. So the life jackets. So. No, I can't imagine why you had to save this airplane. There is no way. With the history behind this, it's like almost like a celebrity in terms of, you know, of airplane history in our country. Imagine seeing live what people saw in 1995. Right, let me just see here so I don't miss a thing. They got everyone inside, engineers, come for the tour, guys. I don't want to give you the full experience, so you guys have an excuse to come here and learn more. So this is probably where the crew will sleep, I guess. Okay, got more there. Okay. But congratulations to everyone behind this amazing organization. Again, I don't understand nothing about planes. I just know the basics. And Boeing and Airbus, you know, the big brands. That's basically it. I don't know. I'm the blessed. Something different. I haven't been here in a long time. Sure. Nice. It's like a little bit of a time machine, guys. I grew up in the 90s, so yeah. Love it. Yeah. So cool the monitor today. But why could people see such small screens? This is like my phone is bigger than this, my phone screen. There you go, first class only. Huh? Oh, it's probably okay. No food or drinks allowed, remember guys. So respect when you come here. It would be cool to go upstairs actually. Chill, look at that. No, probably the view from the cockpit, which I think it was a good addition. Guys, how cool is this? Have you been here? Let me know down below because wow. We're gonna prepare to lift off. Yo, the details here are incredible. Look at this. This is a spare engine. Pause the video so you guys can see it. Sure. So this is where you go inside of the engine. Oh my god, I can't imagine how powerful this thing used to be. Whoa, I'm inside of an airplane engine. Look at the small one here. Completely dwarfed. Inside of the engine. Look at that. How many pairs of wheels do you need? The flight simulator, so this is like driving school for pilots. Let's go inside of the flight simulator to give you guys an idea. Of course, the ones in nowadays are much more developed. But look at this. This is sure, you need like a PhD just to know all those instruments. Seems like a simulation radio room. There is another aviation simulator here. There is another one here. So this was probably for the 747. Okay. full of monitors, like the other one. A little bit more. You get out to just get like the airplane engine just right on your face. Wow, this is incredible. Can you imagine the logistics of putting this monster in place? Wow. Wait, there is more here. I think they did a brilliant job. Yeah, I'm still right below the 747 Lebombo. This is wow. So guys, remember, if you're in Johannesburg, don't forget to come to this amazing place, what I gently called the airplane graveyard, because it's such an amazing place, guys. Again, make sure you share, subscribe and destroy that like button, and I will see you in the next Living SATV video.